Today, somebody else is looking at these. These are our LED PIFCO electronic lights. We've tried to get them working ourselves multiple times, but I reached the limit of my knowledge. I am not very well versed in electronics. I get as far as a switch, a resistor and an LED, and that's about it. So, fellow YouTuber reached out, Liam Lucas. All of the links to his channel are down below, and he said, send them to me, I'll have a look at them, I'll throw them on my bench and I'll try and fix them for you. And if you'd like to see how he got on, go into the description, there's a link to the video down below. This is just going to be a short little video just to give you an update on these lights, and anybody who has been following these lights and the trials and tribulations of getting them repaired, go check out Liam's channel, and as soon as we get them back, we'll have a look at them ourselves. It's always great to have a little YouTube collaboration, and there may be more in future with other YouTubers, so watch this space. Again, just a little update video. Go check out Liam's video. Many thanks to him. He's an absolute legend, and I'll catch you all on the next one.